Let's take each equation at a time and try to simplify it. Now, we want to try and get it into the same base. And the answers, and well, one set of the answers, they wrote it in base root 2 essentially, but I'm going to stick with 2. I'm just more used to doing that. So 4 to the y becomes 2 squared to the y. And that's going to equal 1 over 8 is 2 cubed. And then I've got root 2, which is actually 2 to the half. I'm going to take my time here. 2 to the half x plus 2. So that's a pretty good start. I can then write 2 to the 2y is equal to 1 over 2 to the 3 times 2 to the half x plus 1. That's going to become 1 over 2 to the, I add the powers, so 4 plus the half x, and therefore 2 to the 2y is equal to 2 to the minus 4 plus a half x. And from this, we can write down that 2 to the y is equal to minus 4 minus a half x. And I'll just park that for the moment, but that will be useful in a minute. Right, now let's look, actually this one's a bit simpler. Maybe I should have started with it. So I'm going to write this one in powers of 3. Okay, so 9 to the x is going to be 3 squared to the x, or 3 to the 2x. Going to do this one a little bit more quickly. Then I'm timesing by 3 to the y. And that's going to equal 3 root 3, which is 3 times 3 to the half. So 3 to the 2x plus y is equal to 3 to the 1 plus a half, 3 to the 3 over 2. And from that, we get a second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 3 over 2. And I've got simultaneous equations that I can now solve. So let's write it out as we normally would. So I'm going to add the half x on and times by 2. We're going to get x plus 4y is equal to minus 8. And 2x plus y is equal to 3 over 2. I just wanted to get them all as whole numbers, but I should have times through by another 2. So let me do that now. So 2x, I mean, there's different ways you can do this. 2x plus 8y is equal to minus 16. Okay, I've made the coefficients of x the same. So minusing it, I'm going to get 7y equals minus 16 minus 1.5 is going to be minus 17 over 2. Maybe I should write it as minus 32 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is going to be minus 35 over 2. And that's quite good because we can then divide by 7. We're going to get y is minus 5 over 2. I forgot what we're asked for. We're actually asked for the value of 5 to the x plus y. Right, now I've got that, I can substitute it back in. So I'll put it back into this one. And I'm going to get 8x is equal to minus 8 minus 4 times minus 5 over 2, which is minus 8 plus 10, which is 2. And therefore, x plus y is going to be minus a half. So finally, actually, we want to know 5 to the minus a half, and that's just going to give us e. Okay, good question, I think. Combination of thirds, simultaneous equations. Just be careful, to simplify things along the way. But yeah, good result.